Welcome to another episode of Markets Dawn Europe, an audio podcast on financial markets for European-based professionals. A minimalistic solution to the information overload in mainstream and social media. This is what you need to know today.
Morning. Wall Street finished firmer last night, driven by Tesla's 22% rally, following its late Wednesday earnings announcement, which included a strong revenue outlook of up to 30% growth for next year, and some short covering. Shares are 5% higher this year, to a total market value of $832 billion, compared to an S&P 500 year-to-date return of 22%. Tesla's forward price-earnings ratio is double that of Nvidia at 73 times. On data released on Thursday, preliminary PMIs for October were little changed in developed countries, with manufacturing readings still on the weak side, while services continue to expand. Of note, were a solid US services PMI at 55.3 points, and a somewhat deteriorating manufacturing reading in the UK. Bonds and currencies reversed this week's trend, with benchmark yields dropping by around 5 basis points across the curve, except for gilts, and the dollar partially reversing its recent recovery. In Asian markets today, most equity indices are trading firmer, except for Japan, which is approximately 1% softer, ahead of this weekend's election, and after the inflation update this morning. Euro Stoxx 50 futures are pointing to a weaker opening in early trading, while US futures are flat. In deals, KKR is acquiring a 25% stake in Eni's biofuel unit, Enilive, for nearly €3 billion, as the Italian energy company continues to partner with investors to decarbonize its product line. Eni shares are down 7% this year, and it reports earnings today. In debt capital markets, Iberdrola placed 12-year sterling-denominated senior bonds, rated single A-, at gilts plus 95 basis. Italian machinery maker, Omnia della Tofola, issued 7-year senior high-yield bond in euros. Italy's Banco BPM was upgraded one notch by S&P to BBB. Day ahead. Data, US durable goods and Michigan sentiment, Germany IFO indicators, and Sweden PPI. Credit ratings of France, Italy, Belgium and Sweden will be reviewed by several agencies. Monetary policy, Russia is expected to hike rates by 1 percentage point to 20%. Earnings announcements, Sanofi, Mercedes-Benz, and NatWest. This weekend, Japan and Uruguay hold general elections, while Bulgaria holds a parliamentary election. That's all for this week. Thanks for your time and enjoy your weekend.
Visit laconicbriefs.com to subscribe to our newsletter, including this audio podcast with an extended script if you prefer to read, plus performance tables and charts, all in one place. Delivered straight to your inbox every morning, Monday to Friday.